In 2017, a digital cat broke Ethereum. Sounds ridiculous. That cat was part of CryptoKitties, the first viral NFT project. It clogged the network, shocked developers, and quietly planted the seeds of a cultural and economic revolution. Today, we trace the story of NFTs from silly cats to million-dollar art, and why they matter far beyond speculation. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel where we bring you the best stories from the world of crypto, decentralized tech, and more. Before we start today's video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss any of our videos. Also, please consider giving this video a like if you find it valuable. Let's get right into it. NFT stands for non-fungible token. Unlike Bitcoin or ETH, which are interchangeable, NFTs are unique. Each represents digital ownership of something, an image, a song, a piece of virtual land, or even an in-game item. Ethereum provided the foundation and creativity did the rest. In late 2017, CryptoKitties exploded. Users were breeding and trading digital cats on-chain. It was cute, fun, and it nearly broke Ethereum with network congestion. For the first time, people saw NFTs not just as tokens, but as a new digital experience. Culture had entered the blockchain. Then came CryptoPunks. Just 10,000 pixelated characters, given away for free at first. Years later, some sold for millions. Why? Scarcity, cultural status, and the idea that digital collectibles could be as valuable as physical ones. Punks became the blue chips of NFTs, setting the tone for what was to come. Next, Bored Ape Yacht Club. More than just art, it was access, exclusive events, membership clubs, and brand deals. Suddenly, NFTs weren't just about ownership. They were about belonging. A new kind of digital social identity was born. Now let's talk about the king of NFTs. In the beginning, there were memes. Then came CryptoPunks. But the true boom began with the launch of the Nyanza. These 10,000 programmatically generated images sparked an explosion of interest in NFTs. It was more than just collecting digital art. It was owning a piece of internet culture. The top NFTs went for millions. And then the floodgates opened. Art on the blockchain, marketplaces like OpenSea, decentralized exchanges, play-to-earn gaming, and even domain name NFTs. The possibilities seemed endless. But how do NFTs actually work? At their core, they're just smart contracts on the blockchain. Unique, verifiable, tamper-proof. They represent digital scarcity in a world of infinite copies. Think of it like a digital deed. Just as physical art has provenance, NFTs have a history on the blockchain. Every transaction, every owner. It's public, transparent, and forever recorded. Let's take a closer look at Ethereum, the most popular blockchain for NFTs. When you mint an NFT, you're creating a smart contract. This contract defines the NFT's properties, its data, who owns it, and more importantly, how it can be used. And just like any other smart contract, these terms are written in code. They're transparent, meaning anyone can see them. This means there's no central authority controlling your NFT. You own it. You control it. No middlemen, no gatekeepers. One of the most exciting things about NFTs is their potential to disrupt traditional industries. Take art, for example. With NFTs, artists can sell their work directly to collectors without needing galleries or auction houses. They can also earn royalties on secondary sales, creating a new revenue stream. The same goes for music. NFTs can help artists connect with their fans directly, selling limited edition releases or exclusive experiences. And in the world of collectibles, NFTs offer a new way to buy, sell, and trade items, all with a secure and transparent record of ownership. Some might think of NFTs as just another speculative bubble, and they're not wrong. But it's important to remember that technology rarely follows a straight line. Yes, there are risks, price bubbles, scams, and rug pulls. But don't lose sight of the bigger picture. NFTs have the power to change how we collect, trade, and experience digital items. They're building a new layer of digital culture on top of the blockchain. So here's what we take away. First, NFTs are more than just JPEGs or MP3s. They're about capturing digital moments in time. They're about owning a piece of the internet. Second, NFTs are about community. They're bringing people together around shared interests and experiences. The Bored Ape community, for example, is one of the strongest in crypto. Third, NFTs are about creativity. They're giving artists and creators new tools to express themselves and connect with their audiences. The rise of on-chain art is a testament to this. Finally, NFTs are about the future of ownership. They're giving us a new way to own and manage digital assets in a decentralized, transparent way. The NFT story reminds us, blockchain isn't just about money, it's about meaning. From cats to punks to million-dollar art, NFTs created a new market for creativity, identity, and culture. The lesson: technology can transform not only how we trade value, but how we express it. But what does this mean for the future? As the NFT space matures, we can expect more innovation, more creativity, and more interesting use cases. The technology is still early, but the potential is clear. One thing is certain: the days of digital art being just another JPEG or MP3 are over. Welcome to the age of digital ownership. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Catch you in the next one.